Good morning everyone, this is Craig the Computer Geek here with this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Last week Microsoft issued a warning about old versions of Internet Explorer, so today I want to talk to you about this and old versions of Windows. As you may be aware, Windows XP went out of support in April 2014. It won't be long before Windows Vista goes the same way. If you are using one of these systems, you need to upgrade ASAP. You also need to be using Internet Explorer 11 if you're using Windows 7 or 8, as earlier versions will not be supported. This means that any security holes will not be dealt with, as hackers are always trying to find holes in Windows, and that puts you potentially at risk of contracting a virus or having personal or financial information stolen from your computer. If you use another browser, you could still be at risk, as other browsers use some Internet Explorer components. This is something that is not to be taken lightly, and I cannot emphasize it enough. The cost of losing or having your data compromised is potentially far greater than the cost of having your operating system and Internet Explorer updated. This week's Ask Craig question comes from Shane in the Philippines, and she wants to know, what is a blue screen of death and what causes it? According to Wikipedia, a blue screen of death is an error screen displayed on a Windows computer system after a fatal system error, also known as a system crash, when the operating system reaches a condition where it can no longer operate safely. It is usually caused by poorly written device drivers or malfunctioning hardware, such as faulty memory, power supply issues, overheating of components, or hardware running beyond its specification limits. Thankfully, blue screens occur very rarely now in Windows 7 and later operating systems, but were a real problem in the Windows versions of the 1990s in particular. This is another reason to upgrade your operating system to at least Windows 7, as it is well known for being very stable. So if you do get a BSOD, the first thing to do is try to start your computer in last known good configuration mode, or safe mode, by pressing the F8 key when the system starts. If your computer has blue screen due to overheating, make sure that nothing is obstructing the fan outlet or there is no dust build-up on the system fans. Laptops can overheat if they are resting on a soft surface like a bed or pillow where the fan outlet can be obstructed. In this edition of Tech Tip Tuesday, we are excited to announce the launch of our online shop Danjess, where you can browse for all sorts of cool electronic and geeky products. Please send us a technology or computer related question on our website www.craigthecomputergeek.com.au or hashtag CraigCompGeek on our Facebook page or on Twitter @CraigCompGeek, and we will select one for the next video. Take care and don't forget to subscribe.